Welcome to my channel. Before starting math problem, we will be having a message as usual for the COVID-19 and is like a pandemic, and facing the pandemic is related to how we respond. So we have to follow the rules and regulations and the guideline issued by the public health of each country and province. So no socialization, because this pandemic, COVID-19 coronavirus, or any pandemic, has no social boundaries, no national borders, so no cultural values. So we have to respond it correctly. So that we can avoid its spreading, and we have to use those guidelines that no socializing, quarantine is like a imposed isolation on oneself, so that the others can be safe and you also be safe if you are in isolation. So isolation or self-isolation are the words which we need to practice. So somebody has asked me expanded form. So how to write an expanded form, right? So it's a very basic question in math, and then we say that writing numbers so that we can see the place value. First of all, we need to understand what the place value is. If any digit is written like 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, whatever number is, you know that we have to mark them as like unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, and so on and so forth. So every number has got a different place value when it comes to place value in that particular number. Here 9 is a unit place or one place, and one place has a place value of 9, but this 4 is 10,000. So the fourth place value is, if we want to find out what is the place value of 4, so my place value of 4 is 40,000, because it is at the 10,000 place. 40,000 means 10,000 place, and 5 is at the 1,000 place, so place value of 5 here is 5,000. Place value of 7 is 700, and place value of 8 is 80, and place value of 9 is 9. So if we add all these numbers, we have 45,789, and that is what is standard form. How we write the digits, it's called standard form. So if in any standard form we want to see the individual's number place value, then we need to expand it in a fashion that each number is governed with the place value. So we have a 1 place, 10th place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place, then million and 10 million places, and so on and so forth. So how we address it? Expanded form is a way of writing numbers so that we can see that the place value of each digit in the number. So place value of each digit in this number is expressed here. And we write expanded form as an addition equation. So when we add them up, we get the same number. We can write it like this, or we can write it like this in one horizontal format, that is 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9 equals to the same standard format. So we write this one in an expanded form. What was the number? 45,789. So to write any standard form into the expanded form, we try to write the number so that we can see the place value of each digit. And what is place value? We can have the place value of each number by putting 0 in front of the other numbers. So if 4 is here, so how many zeros I have to put? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 40,000 is the place value of 4. Here 5. So how many zero I have to put? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So 5,000 is the place value of 5 in this standard format. So expanded format, this is my expanded format, and this is my standard, and this is my expanded, right? So standard and expanded. So we can use maybe in the decimal format so that we can have more of a knowledge. 3.405 maybe. So we can say, we can write it in expanded format as 3 plus 0.4 plus 0.005, because next term is 0. So 5 value is 0.005. Again, if we add all these numbers, we will be getting the same result. So we can write them in a addition equation, addition format, right? If we add them, because the place values, if we define the place value and then we add them together. So we can take another example. If you maybe you need another example to understand it. So how can we write it? 8 is 8. A place value of 8 is 8. This place value is 0.4. Then 7 is 0.047. And then 5 is, or if you have 8, whatever number you have, 475. So 0.005. If you add these number, you can get the same thing. Here, this will be called 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. When we say 10th place, very interesting to learn here, 10th place. So 10th place is not 10th place. 10th place is divided by 10. So 4 divided by 10. If you divide 4 by 10, you will get 0.4. So it is 10th place. And if you say 100th place, 7 value is 100th place. So if you say 100th place, HUNDREDTH, 100th place, that means we are talking about fraction. 7 divided by 100. And if you divide 7 with 100, it is 0.07. Similarly, if I say 1000th place, 1000th place, that means that particular number is at 1000th place, means 5 divided by 1000, which gives me 0.005. So in this way, we can define what is standard form and what is expanded form. So expanded form is always written to show the place value of each number or each digit in that particular number. And we can take a few more examples maybe. If we have, for example, 413, right? So what is 4? Place value of 4 is 400, right? So 400. What is place value of 1? Here place value of 1 is 10. What is place value of 3? Place value of 3 is 3. So if we add them up, we can get back 413. So this is my standard form and this is my expanded form. So similarly, we learned in the last lecture about the exponent form, and we can also write the same number in exponent form, because now the 400 can be written as 4 into 100. 10 can be written as like 1 into 10, right? 1 has a place value of this, and 3 has a place value of 1 place, right? So this is 1 place, this is 10 place, this is 100 place. So 1 place, 10 place, 100 place. So that is giving me the same thing, 400 plus 10 plus 3. But I can express it in exponent format as well, like 4 into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means 100. That's the same thing. So I can write this one as 1 into 10 to the power 1. And then 3, I can write 3 into 10 to the power 0. So this is my exponent format. Or I can add them up together. I will write it 4 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power 1 plus 3 into 10 to the power 0 is equals to the same thing, which is 413, my standard form. So I break this 413 into expanded form and into expanded exponential form. This is called expanded exponential form. I hope you understand it. You must have to revise this several times so that you can understand that how we can show a number into expanded form or into expanded exponential form. If you like the video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button to receive the next video. Thank you for watching.